everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. It is the end of the month, which means it is time for another favorites video, and this is just going to be my September 2020 favorites. If you've missed any of my past favorites, I will have a playlist linked down below for you guys, and as always, I will have as many of the products mentioned in this video as I can listed down below in the description in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of them. And without further ado, let's get started. I will be starting out with clothing, and I just have 3 items. The first item is just a pair of shorts from Lululemon. I've never really been one to be on the Lululemon bandwagon because it is pretty pricey. However, I have done some Lululemon thrifting lately, which has been amazing, and now I get the hype around all of their products. These are just the shorts. I believe they are the Hottie Hot shorts, their second release, I believe. I will try to find them online and link them down below. However, since they are thrifted, I am not sure the exact style or if I can even find them, but if I can, I will do my best and leave it down below. This is just what they look like, and they are just your average athletic shorts. Instead of having a drawstring, there is just this little elastic piece on the inside that you can pull to adjust the waist if needed. They don't ride up my butt, which is really nice, and even though we are getting into fall weather and it is pretty cool here, it's still nice to have shorts to work out in when you are working out either in the gym or in your house like I am doing. And lastly, for the clothing and fashion related items are a pair of flip-flops. These are just from LLB, and they are their main aisle flip-flops. I'm not sure if you can get them online anymore. They may be sold out, but I've been wearing these the past few months and I absolutely love them. They conform to your feet, which is nice. They are really rugged and sturdy. I did get them in a store because I do live here in Maine, which is where their main store is. No pun intended on that one. I think I made that reference in another video, but mine are just blue with little daisies on them. Now moving on to beauty slash skincare, I have 2 items. The first one is just a body butter. This is the Tree Hut 24-hour intense hydrating shea body butter, and the scent is Moroccan rose. I can't even begin to tell you how good this smells, and it does have Moroccan argan oil in it. And then the second item is a 2-part item, and they are both by the brand Cutter, and it is a bug spray and then a bug bite anti-itch stick, I guess it is. For the bug spray, it is just the Cutter Skinsations insect repellent. I was on the hunt for it forever. I couldn't find it at Walmart or Target or CVS or the grocery store or anything like that. I ended up finding this at Home Depot along with this product as well. As for the second product, it is called Bite MD, and it is by Cutter, and it is an external analgesic first aid antiseptic, and basically it is just one of those itch sticks where if you get a bug bite, you take the little applicator and just dab it and rub it around on the bug bite. Now I have 2 pet related products. The first one are these. These are the Fresh Step Litter Box deodorizing pods. They literally just have a sticker on the back, and you stick it to the outside of the litter box and then open the little window, and they cut down on the stink from cat boxes a ton. And the second cat related product for the month is actually a steam cleaner. We got the Bissell Revolution Pet Pro Carpet Steam Cleaner, and let me tell you, that thing is amazing. Obviously, it is something that is way too big for me to, you know, hold up and show you guys, so I will go ahead and include some clips of what it looks like right here. It heats up. It has this little jet that you can press with your foot to make the spray out onto it as a pre-treatment. It also has a nifty hand tool, which I absolutely love, and it works great at getting stains out. And if you have cats, you probably know the struggle of having carpet in your house when cats decide that they are gonna throw up half the fur on their body that they have licked off. So it definitely comes in handy. It doesn't strictly have to be used just for pets. However, that is what it is marketed towards, because it is marketed towards cleaning up vomit stains and urine stains and stuff like that. And lastly, I have 3 pretty random favorites. The first one is food related, and it is an energy drink. This is one of the Monster Energy Ultra drinks. I've pretty much tried almost all of them, which if you guys would like me to go and find as many of the Monster Ultras as I can and sit down and do a whole video trying each flavor and giving you my thoughts and stuff, definitely let me know. Recently, this has become my absolute favorite one. This one is the Fiesta one. The struggle with these is that they do not have a flavor on them, and it's kind of one of those things where you have to start drinking it and decipher what the flavor is on your own. From what I have read and what my taste buds say, I believe this one is mango, and let me tell you, it tastes so good. Another favorite of mine is part of my allergy bag. This is what I use as my allergy bag. It is the North Face Sprout backpack bag. It's just a tiny little North Face bag and I love it. But the product that I'm talking about in terms of my favorites is this. This is another product from MyID. If you've been on my channel for years now, you know I am obsessed with the products that MyID has to offer. They are a company that offers medical alert products. So if you are in an emergency, medical personnel can have access to all of your medical information, and they have a ton of different products. If you guys would like to see an entire video dedicated to all of the products from MyID that I own, definitely let me know. I have a ton of different products, and what's really neat about MyID is that they have an app where you can literally input information you could ever possibly need in an emergency. You can have emergency contacts. You can even add x-ray images. You can put what medications you're on and everything like that. And all the products have a QR code, a PIN, as well as an ID on them. So if you are in an emergency, all the medical personnel has to do is either scan the item or they can call the number or go on the website. This one in particular is the MyID tag, and it is one of their newer products. I personally have mine on the handle of my allergy bag. What's really nice about this one in particular is that you can do all three of the other mentioned actions to access the information, or you can literally take your phone and just bump the side and all the information will come up. If you want to learn more about MyID, I will have a bunch of different videos down below. I've talked about them so many times here on my channel. And speaking of MyID, you guys can use the coupon code to get free shipping off of your order. I will have a link to it down below. And lastly is a craft item, and specifically it is Gimp, or some people know it as craft lace. It's the plasticky, stringy stuff that you make keychains out of at summer camp. I was cleaning my room a few weeks ago and I came across an unfinished keychain that I started back when I was younger in summer camp. It is this keychain to be exact, and I wanted to get back into it. So I went out to Walmart and I got a bunch of different packs of the Gimp to make keychains out of. And let me tell you, this is a great quarantine activity. I used to be like the Gimp master back in the day, and I am so happy that I haven't lost my talent for it. Here are just 4. You can do so many different color combinations. There are so many different stitches you can do. Each row of this is a stitch. As you guys can see, this little like swirly stitch is my favorite, and you can use 4 different colors for it. If you guys would like me to do an entire video on how to make these and the different stitches you can do, definitely let me know down below because I can do that for you guys. I absolutely love making them. They are a lot of fun. So those are just my favorites for the month of September. It's crazy that it is now fall. I am so happy because for those of you who do not know, fall is my absolute favorite season, as I'm sure it is the favorite season of most people. If you guys have any suggestions for videos that you guys would like to see, definitely leave it in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and be sure to hit the bell as well so that you are in fact notified every time I upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!